The dance has a tag and a restart. Your tag is danced at wall 6. You will be facing 9 o'clock. So section 6, 5 and 6 count. 5 and 6. This is your tag. Quarter turn right. 7. Touch right next to left. 8. Quarter turn touch. You restart your dance here. Okay, so this is the dance. Starts on your right. You step, half turn, shuffle, half turn, step, hold, and step, touch. Side, close, side, rock back, recover, side, hold, and side, touch. Quarter turn, half turn, rock back, recover, right kick and point, left kick and point. Cross, shuffle, quarter turn, cross, shuffle, point out, touch in. Kick and point, cross, unwind, rock back, recover. Half turn, right shuffle back, half turn, right shuffle forward, step and hold. And cross, back, side, close, side, touch forward, touch side, behind, unwind. Step, half turn, shuffle, half turn, rock back, recover, left kick, right touch.